Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome to IDN News. Today, Alfonso Bitiasin will be the newscaster in this IDN News. So today, I have a big news for you guys who like IDN boarding school. Because last week, IDN just made an event, and that event is IDN Open House. In this IDN Open House, the student will show you what they do in the last 2 years, what they have learned, and then they will tell you about their achievement and make an exhibition. And it's not only the vocational high school that perform about their work, but also the junior high school. They show their creation making a robot. And for the vocational high school, they have three different classes. The first one is RPO, or you can call it software engineer, and the second one is TKJ, network engineer, and the last one is DMM, multimedia designer. In this IDN open house, the vocational high school is showing their skill and their achievement, just like the RPO. They will show you the magazine and the UI UX they've made. For the DMM, they will show you the design they've made, like a 3D design or maybe 2D design. And for the TKG class, they were showing the certificate of MTCNA and also the book they've made. And the book is also about MTCNA. But not only that, they have also give an information and tutorial about fiber optic and how to make it. And this event is lasts for 2 days. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.